This is my favorite time of day when you see the sun gleaming through the trees.
Oh yeah, golden hour.
Golden hour, yeah, it's the best. I'm just hearing all of the birds.
This is what it's all about. Having the family out here. All right.
Well, guys, I want to talk.
All right, you talk.
So we have made it officially to the St. Croix. Is it St. Croix?
It is.
We have made it officially to the St. Croix campground.
No.
Officially made it to the St. Croix State Forest. And Jack picked out such a nice spot for us.
So far, and I'm crossing my fingers when I say this, but the bugs seem to be a little better than last week. Oh, jeez. And I think the reason for that is the cooler temperatures.
We are always looking for ways to make things easy, especially while having a baby. We're also trying to save money, and so we just like to keep it simple.
So we're all fueled up and ready to do some exploring. We're headed to St. Croix State Park, not to be confused with the State Forest, which we are in right now. Actually, you guys, real quick, I just saw something pretty, so we're gonna check it out. Look at this lake. Wow. What do you think, Ellie? We are back in the park. Just gonna stop off quick at headquarters. Get us a little map. So the plan for this trip into the park is to check out two of the other sites that are down this road. The first one being Maple Island. Okay, get you protected. Yeah, she's not gonna like this.
Oh,
Wow. So we got some people kayaking down the river.
I wish we were on there.
I know. That looks so fun.
I know. Yay, Ellie! Catch some fish for us while you're at it.
Last time we were here, I went in the Snake River, didn't get a chance to go in the Kettle, so we're gonna check that one off the list right now. 1, 2, 3. Woohoo! Come here, Ellie. Come here. Come on. Haha. All right. That felt good. All right, let's get out of here. Well, we were planning on doing more in the park, but Olivia was getting a little cranky and we figured it might be better to just make our way back to the cabin.
Yay!
Oh. You feeling better? I got a secret for you. One more time. She loves to go, "How?" I got a secret. I'm gonna tell it to you. Oh, what a sweetie. So for dinner tonight, I'm whipping up some chicken burritos. We're gonna have some onion in there, bell peppers, a little bit of garlic, and the chicken has been marinated in sort of a sweet chili marinade. So it's gonna be really, really good and different for the burritos that we usually make.
Thank you for us all being together here in this cabin. Amen.
Amen. All right, I'm actually interested to see how this tastes, you guys. I don't know if I'd really call this a burrito. It's definitely doesn't have much Mexican flair to it, I'll say that.
Did you put the salsa in it? Or the tapatio?
It's good.
Mm-hmm. This is my favorite time of day when you see the sun kind of gleaming through the trees.
Oh yeah, golden hour.
Golden hour, yeah, it's the best. I'm just hearing all of the birds.
It's pretty cool, huh?
Oh, you're gonna build your own fire one day.
Yeah.
But you're gonna learn safety first.
I'm gonna teach you.
Daddy's gonna teach you all about safety.
All right, have fun.
Thank you.
I've said this many times, you guys. This is what it's all about. Having the family out here. Minnesota makes it tough, you know. The bugs are just so brutal. And then the winters are so cold, you know. So it makes the moments when we do all get out here, you know, together that much more special. Especially when we can get out of the cabin and all be outside. It's nice you guys got a little walk.
Yeah.
Good morning, baby. Hi. Good morning. You guys, we tried a travel bassinet that we set on the bed last night. so that we'd have more room in the cabin here. And it failed miserably. First off, we didn't have any room to sleep. And then second off, she woke up! You woke up? Okay, you need your diaper change.
Yeah.
Time for diaper change. Well, unfortunately we have to leave today, but we don't have to leave right away. So I'm gonna go out for a little bike ride per usual and see if I can't find the Tamarack River. This time I did charge my bike. If you missed last week's video, go check it out. My bike battery died and I was left pedaling a very heavy bike for miles, being attacked by flies. I don't plan on that happening today, so we should be good. Oh, and I want to note, I got these walkie-talkies, so we can be in communication while I'm out there. And they say the range on these is 35 miles. I don't believe it, but it'll at least, you know, be a few miles. Attention, Goo-Goo. Come in, Goo-Goo. It's truly amazing to me how many rivers are in this region right here. We've seen in the last couple weeks the Kettle, the Snake River, the Tamarack River now, and the St. Croix. 4 rivers right in this area, and there are more for sure. Whoa! Well, this is interesting. So it looks like the trail does continue across the river here. I imagine if you're riding horses, you could easily go through this. You might even be able to go through this with a dirt bike or something. That guy, I don't think so. I don't need to be stranded if I if I wreck the battery or something. Goo-Goo, come in, Goo-Goo.
Goo to the goo. Goo just had a battle and a freak out. Goo, over.
Sorry to hear that, Goo-Goo. How's she doing now?
She's doing well now, but we're waiting to hear from the tic-tac to the boo-boo.
All right, I'm headed back to the cabin. Over and out. Got a deer up here. Gosh, I was getting so excited. I thought it was a bear for a second when we were.
Why is it not moving?
He'll move. He's just checking us out. There he goes.
Okay, he's like, bye-bye.
So we're gonna head down to the lake. I believe it's Grace Lake that we checked out yesterday. And we're gonna just spend some time hanging out on the dock, maybe do some swimming. Pretty nice, huh?
Mm-hmm.
How's the water, Ellie? Is it pretty good? This is your style, huh?
This is my style.
Yeah, this is pretty great.
This is the life. You know what would be more my style though? Being on a floaty out there.
Yeah.
Or even a kayak. So I spotted a little froggy over here.
You gonna pick him up?
You're funny.
Oh, you don't do that?
No.
Do it.
No, because I don't have soap.
We have sanitizer. Pick him up, Rye. Come on.
He's not moving.
Whoa! Get him, Rye. Whoa, whoa, there he goes. Up.
All right, I'm really not getting him now.
Ellie's checking him out. This has been a great way to end the trip.
It was a really good idea. Thanks for bringing us here.
Alright guys, that's going to do it for the video. Thank you as always for coming along. It was so great to get the whole fam out this time and explore yet another new state forest here in Minnesota. As always, I want to thank our patrons for their support. It means the world. If you want to partner with us and get some amazing perks, you can find the link to our Patreon in the description of this video. But that's it for this one. We'll see you guys next time.